You see where's the muzzle? You see the level? Always different. The firearm is high, my hand is down. It's like the hand. Do you know how you manage a door? You never do this because under stress, the brain aligns the hand. Yep. So you don't keep the arm like this. You don't flex the body like this. You stay like this. When you move, I move in this way. If I need to move, my leg are flexed in this way and not in this way. I don't crunch myself. Okay? So here, you move, but you see the levels are different. If you stay like this, it's on your arm, 100%. Playing or applying. Playing is when you hide yourself, you protect yourself behind the windshield because you know that airsoft can't pass that. Or behind a door. If you do something like that in a real environment with real firearms, they're going to shoot your ass immediately. So I don't want people start to use a windshield as a cover. I don't want that you start to use doors as a cover. I want you move from hard point to hard point. I want that you close your opponent there. And when you control the engine zone, for example, don't move, don't go aggressive because you pass from hard point to nothing. So now it's a airsoft. It's airsoft. If it was a real gun, I want to see how proud people start to exit in open field with the other opponent that is behind the trunk. The best way to be shot immediately. If you control the area of the engine, your opponent is in a soft part. If we control the hood, we are in the harder, behind the cover. He is behind the trunk. Is the trunk a cover? No, if I isolate the trunk. Yes, if I include the engine. But because I control the engine, is on the soft zone. So if I shoot through the windshield, I'm going to hit. I'm going to try to do it. But for sure, I don't leave my zone to get in open field, giving him the advantage to come up. Game over.
Oh, it was awesome. It was intense. It was. It's a lot different from going from classroom to actual simulation, and it's a world of a difference. And it's good that you're doing it, getting those reps in.
Oh, that was amazing. It's a totally different world when he's going over it, and he keeps stressing what happens when you're under stress. Not live full stress, some stress. It changes everything, and this is why we keep practicing. Amazing.
Hallways are like the most dangerous place in a house. The most dangerous place in a house or a structure is a hallway. See how he's nice and low? He's nice and he's like, his body's moving with a purpose. He's also a smaller profile. So as I come in, nothing changes. Everything's the same. Whether I pie from this side, right? And I come over here and like, oh, okay, that's a wall. It's a corner fed. Do I need to keep pieing all the way across?
No.
Once I get to a place where I can see that this is a corner fed, do I need to keep going?
No.
No, because I know it's wall, 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 wall. Maybe I'll confirm and take another step. Is it in fact a wall? Yep, it is in fact a wall. There's no openings here. Cool, I got that. At this point, I can just stay center and come in and then scan the rest of the room. I always dig that corner. My second sector of fire always starts in the corner, and then I can collapse the rest of the room as I take a couple steps in. Because again, it's shallow entry. We're not going far. Say, hey, you over there. What are you doing here? All right, do me a favor, lift your shirt and do a 360. I just want to see your waistline. No weapons, nothing like that. All right, cool, come to me, right? Something like that. But in order to do that, we have to go nice and slow in order to see that. But then we can't let this person dictate our actions. Like, just because I see you, Alexis, I'm not gonna just stop and talk to you. I mean, I'm gonna continue to pie as I'm talking to you.
So this was my first time doing CQB inside a house, and I loved every moment of it. I took it nice and easy to make sure I was working on my angles, and as soon as I seen the threat, I went and go ahead and opened fire, and it was just an overall great experience. Shout out to Byron, Kawa, and the rest of his team for putting together this course.
Love training out here with these guys. It's very, very realistic training. Experts in the field. All the instructors are well maintained, well instructed, and we come here and we have a lot of fun. We get banged up, but that's real life. So I love it. Thanks Byron, thanks to UPL, thanks Protector Nation.
Springs, right? So when I hook here, not only am I trying to control this and this, but I also have a frame to kind of move him away. or pull him back, and then this stops the motion from the pullback, right? And then I just recreate the hook, so he's gonna do the same thing on me. And then I recreate that hook on the other side, he does it to that elbow. I know that there's under the armpit stuff.
Here, but
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hear you.
Because all we're trying to do is do this. We're just trying to work these frames here, right? Elbow strike, it's principle stuff, right? Here, we're gonna go ear to ear on this one. So we're getting into this spot here, so we're safe. We're not crashing, bunking, pulling, snapping, all that stuff. And all we're gonna do is try to move each other back and forth. So I'm going this way, and he's trying to stop me. And I'm going back. No turns, right? Because we don't have that development yet. We want that backward movement this way. If I get stuck here and I can't move him forward, let's say, I'm trying to drive into him, I can easily break his posture by coming this way and then going back that way. I want things like that to happen for us, right? And it's just forward and back. So it's just forward, he's pushing me, and I'm trying to stop him, and I'm trying to go here. Yeah, see how that changes time? I can level drive up, I can step big, bring him big. Like, this is what I want, these motions. Just our legs staying balanced, okay? The reason for that, if I'm grabbing or he grabs me and he's pushing into me, I need to just grab and drive into me. Just
collar tie or?
Yeah, just whatever. If he drives into me to try to control my hand, I need to be able to stop these motions with my body and re-energize him. That's all this drill is doing for us.
Love it. Perfect. Exactly what we need. Awesome. It's not just training, it's new skills, but always pushing, you know?
But we're going to focus on these. They're going to do different things. They're going to show us. People that only train with aluminum trainers or hard trainers are not training to actually stab somebody. The training geometry of the blade, oh, that hurts, that feels. But if you have to actually stab somebody through the chest and you use a hard trainer, and the effect of him is him being pushed back, that's not a realistic thing. When you stab somebody, this object will go through that gap and won't push him back. So, hot water pipe insulation material from Home Depot, black electrical tape to simulate the handle, red tape to simulate the tip. So you have that orientation. That's all it is. This versus that. What's the threat? What's the threat to you? This is a threat to you. A stab him in the neck. You see this in action? Yep. What's the threat to you? Yeah, right?
Become part of the Protector Nation. Go to protectornation.com to download the Protector Symposium and continue the learning. Let's make the world a safer place by making good people more dangerous. Out.